Babe, I don't like what you are doing. I'll be begging you for long. You don't want to forgive. What is the problem? What is it? Tell me, what is the problem? Babe, I'm talking to you.
Calm down, why not? Hello, pretty girl. How are you? What are you doing all this honor this one all alone?
I want to share with my boyfriend.
How? I'm not seeing anybody. Who is your boyfriend? Come on, enter the car, let me give you a lift.
Babe, you won't go.
Enter the car, let me give you a lift.
Calm down, let me.
Enter the car, let me give you a lift. This song is too much for your body. Enter. I'm gonna spoil you with money. Enter the car, let me give you a lift. Close the door.
Baby, they close the door.
Oh God, go and hug before you start to attack woman. Kadu, drive this car. They attack woman. Go and hug. Babe, drive this car. Why not, Kadu? I'm gonna spoil you with money. Babe, you're disturbing me. Go and hug. Babe,